I'm CJ with Starter Builds, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble this modular welding table on Starter Builds. Today on Starter Builds, we have a little bit of a different video. We're going to be doing a unboxing of this new workbench I picked up. It's very heavy. I picked this up from Harbor Freight. It is the Titanium Modular Welding Table. I have no experience in welding. I bought a welder about a year ago, have yet to use it, but going into 2026, or as we start 2026, I want to get into welding. I think it'd be a cool skill set to learn. Metal, working with metal and wood, that could be pretty cool. I can see it working in tandem with coffee tables, fire pits, all different types of stuff, the list goes on. So, pick this up from Harbor Freight. I'll have a link down in the description below. I'm by no means affiliated with them, but 600-pound weight capacity this has, includes 24-piece metal fit-up kit. So let's do some unboxing. Let's see what this is about, and hopefully in the future there's gonna be some welding projects on Starter Build. So those who want to attempt it, maybe I can give you some tips, tricks, and you'll probably see a lot of failure on the way as I start to weld. So let's get this unboxed. Whoa! Look at that. Look at that. We've got our trusty manual here. Owner's manual and safety instructions, along with things actually being labeled front. However, these aren't labeled. But overall, pretty impressed right out of the gate here. So one thing to note, this comes with a tabletop only configuration. So if we go back to here, you'll notice this piece right here is the tabletop, or we have the standalone. Now, judging by the space in my shop, that's gonna be the next piece to figure out. I do have my welder sitting right here, so if it could slide right into this space right here where my pack out is, I think that'd be great to have like a mobile welding unit. So stay tuned for that. But let's see what we got in the box here. One thing to note here is there's no wheels. I think they should have added wheels to this. So that's my only gripe. But let's put this together. This is everything that was included. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes marked front. We have a hardware kit here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 separate boxes. We have our base, which says modular welding table, 36 inches by 24 inches, 600-pound capacity. And then we have our top here, which is wrapped very nicely. So as you may notice, it finally happened. I finally caved and bought the Harbor Freight Titanium Welding Table. Yes, it's modular, it's zinc plated, and most importantly, it was cheap enough that I didn't have to ask my girl for permission. But before we can melt metal, we have to survive the instructions. When you first open the box and realize that some assembly required is actually Harbor Freight code for here's a heavy duty jigsaw puzzle with no picture, you're going to have some legs, you're going to have some braces, and you're going to have a bag of hardware that looks like it belongs to a much more expensive table. Let's just see how many bolts of these are actually structural and how many of them are just suggestions.
The instructions say to lay everything out and organize it, so I've organized them into two categories: things I recognize and parts that I'm 90% sure are leftovers from a different product line.
Yo, what is up? CJ here with Starter Builds, and we are back working on this Titanium Modular Welding Table. First step we're going to be doing is attaching the leveling feet to the bottom of the legs here, and then we're going to be attaching all four legs to the bracket, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a sec. Yo, pretty sure my mic died, but essentially what I'm going to be doing here is attaching the leveling brackets to the bottom of the legs, and then we're going to be putting all four of the legs onto the actual frame. So stay tuned for that.
Now we're installing the feet. Pro tip, tighten these all the way down now, because we all know that I'm going to spend the next 3 years fine tuning them with the shim made out of a folded up cardboard box. And in this shop, we don't just fix uneven concrete, we just pray that things even out over time. Harbor Freight wraps these things in so much plastic film and tape that I feel like I was performing an archaeological dig just to find the tabletop. As you can see here, I spent way too much time unwrapping it like a giant metal Christmas present, only to realize the gift is more work. Now we're about to move on to the brackets. This involves a level of finger dexterity that I simply do not possess. It's sort of like playing Operation, but if you touch the sides, you lose a washer and a little bit of your dignity. Honestly, my hands are already shot from fighting with the packaging, so let's get these installed. Bolting the brackets down, the manual says do not over torque. My heart says give it the beans until the metal screams. I'll try to find a happy medium somewhere in the middle. Legs are going on. Harbor Freight's tolerances are legendary, which is to say, if these holes line up on the first try, I'm checking the box to see if I accidentally bought the Milwaukee version. It's all about that forceful persuasion. If it doesn't fit, you just haven't used a big enough pry bar yet. Bolting the legs to the chassis, I've got 16 bolts for 4 legs. The math checks out, but I still have this nagging feeling that by the end of this, I'm going to have enough spare hardware to start my own miniature hardware store. If a leg falls off mid-project, we could just call it dynamic leveling. Moment of truth. We're flipping it over, and she stands. She got legs, she knows how to use them, and she's only slightly more crooked than my last tax return. I'll take it. 24 inches wide, 36 inches long. Looks pretty good to me. Time to start welding some projects on here. And in case you want to know the height, 33 inches tall. This is the finished setup with everything. Again, you have all your hardware and your jigs, your clamps. Now we just got to go ahead and put some metal on top of this and start to weld. For reference, this is the welder I have. I picked this up from Harbor Freight. This is also their welding cart. And again, this is the Titanium brand. So super excited to start welding. Well, if you made it this far in the video and you think I deserved it, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below if you're going to pick one of these up from Harbor Freight. Also comment down below what other things I should maybe try to start welding with. Stay tuned for more projects.